Chongqing serves as a vital modern manufacturing base in China and the globally top high-horsepower engine manufacturing and research and development center of Cummins. Chongqing Cummins is composed of Chongqing Cummins High-Horsepower Engine Technology Center, Chongqing Cummins High-Horsepower Engine Production Line, Chongqing Technology Center, Cummins Power System Business Division, office buildings, and ancillary facilities. Chongqing Cummins High-Horsepower Engine Technology Center, the exclusive high-horsepower engine research and development center of Cummins in China, is equipped with multiple engine test cells and can cover the performance test, emission testing, and reliability testing of diversified fuel engines, including 1172 liters diesel and natural gas engines. Chongqing Cummins High-Horsepower Engine Production Line, involving 3 engine assembly and testing lines, 2 cylinder block precision machining lines, and 2 cylinder head assembly lines, is completely built based on advanced high-horsepower engine production line standards of Cummins. Fully satisfied with production requirements for Cummins products with larger displacement involving 14 liters, 19 liters, 38 liters, 50 liters, and 60 liters, and is capable of annually producing 23,000 high-horsepower engines. By feat of constantly technological innovation, we, featured with professional training, expertise service, intelligent diagnosis, efficient logistics, and a nationwide service network, both safe, reliable, environment-friendly, and efficient power. Meanwhile, by depending on Cummins' global service network, we provide efficient and fast service support for overseas customers. Always secure the engineering equipment fighting on the frontier. 8 engineers in building mountains and bridges, extensively set up channels, and jointly pave the path to wealth building. With centurial craftsmanship and perseverance in exploring the path of energy, rooted in China, we set up advanced intelligent manufacturing bases, present sustainable innovation, customized power solutions for customers. We adhere to our authentic aspiration, delivering value to all stakeholders. Chongqing Cummins constantly iterate Industry 4.0 technology, practice the zero-carbon target, build the zero-carbon factory, follow the concept of diversity and inclusiveness, and provide employees with extensive development opportunities with constantly innovative, diverse, and dynamic products, professional and reliable intelligent service system, finally becoming a new benchmark for global high-horsepower engine technology research and intelligent manufacturing. Chongqing Cummins, making people's lives better by powering a more prosperous world.